Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Micaylah. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back. Glad to have you. So today we're talking all about skincare and you're going to be up close and personal to my skin. So let's get into it. Today's brand, we'll be talking about Starface. And actually I'm partnering with them in this video. So thank you so much Starface for partnering with me. I use their brand honestly a lot. I've been using it for about 6 to 8 months, maybe more now. And I always run to them whenever I have a acne breakout or any irritated skin, as I am right now. The reason my skin is broken out because of allergies a little bit is because I haven't been home. My dog missed me. She knows not to get in my face, but I missed her. She missed me, so she got in my face and I didn't even correct it. So my skin's irritated today, guys, but we're gonna correct that with Starface because I really like how it calms down my skin and it doesn't irritate it even more because it's just so gentle, but it actually penetrates as well. So before I get into this video, I want to talk about who is Starface. They are a vegan, cruelty-free skincare brand, and all their products are good for all skin types, but especially acne-prone and reactive skin. They are vegan, safe to use while you're pregnant, non-comedogenic, gluten-free, no parabens, no sulfates, no dyes, nothing like that. They're Leaping Bunny cruelty-free certified, so get it if you are into that stuff. If you're looking for new clean beauty to try out, definitely try this brand. I'll have everything linked down below that I talk about today. And I'm going to be talking about how we can better our skin but not be embarrassed about, our breakouts, because honestly, using this brand, I've seen myself not try to hide breakouts or anything like that. I really leave my skin alone whenever I started using this brand. So it's definitely good for people who need a little bit more confidence because, broken out skin or any hyperpigmentation or any dullness, that all can be corrected and you shouldn't be ashamed of that. Your skin is definitely your best friend. And we're human. We're all gonna have problem skin in some type of way. So I got you. I'm with you on this. So I'm going to be talking about my experience with this brand over the long amount of time that I've been using them. I actually always go back to them and I always grab for it no matter what. My allergies do act up a lot. I always go to them for a morning rinse if I need it. And whenever my skin is irritated at the end of the day, I just stick to this brand because it's probably one of the only ones that do not burn my hives. This brand is actually really affordable, which I love. Not only are they clean and vegan, they're actually affordable, so I feel like everybody can grab this and not hurt your wallet a little bit. But yeah, I'll link everything down below if you want to go take a look at the prices. I did turn my exposure down on my camera and my ring light, which I might turn down a little bit more so you can see even more of my texture and everything during the video when I do the close-ups of my skin, and we're gonna see what my skin is looking like. So let's get right into it. So I'm just gonna zoom you guys in. This is what my skin looks like from far away. I have a breakout right here of hives. I have some pimples right here. Some pimples on this side. Some pimples right here. I have a big cluster of irritated skin right here. Down here, I can feel a pimple, like a hormonal acne pimple coming up. My skin is oily combo and I have hormonal acne because I'm on birth control. So I get a lot of underneath the skin breakouts right here on my chin. It definitely helps so much. So my skin is actually very dirty right now. I just moved all my filming stuff back into this room and it's hot in Florida and I got sweaty. So this is me with, dirty skin. So we're gonna actually wash it today together. So the first round of products that I actually am gonna show you actually come all together. They come in a big little starter kit, which is so cute. Their packaging is so cute. I've never seen a brand like yellow. This is adorable. First off, packaging A1, always. I fell in love with their packaging. It's so cute. Look at this smiley face. You cannot. And this is $35 with free shipping at starface.world, which I'll be linking everything down below for you guys so you don't have to go hunting. But this is $35 and free shipping. So we're going to be talking about the space wash first because I need to wash my face. So we're going to wash my face together. So I'm just going to read the description of this product so you guys can get the full details while I show close-ups and everything on the screen. This is a plant-based lightly foaming cleanser that works AM and PM to remove makeup, dirt, and oil for a deep space clean that prevents future breakouts, leaving skin fresh and happy. It is oil-free and dermatologist approved. Space Wash gently removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and clears out excess sebum oil, all without stripping or disrupting your skin's natural moisture barrier. Its gentle but effective active ingredients will help calm irritation and encourage healing for damaged skin or stressed skin. So the ingredients of Space Wash. The first one is white willow bark. The second is sage leaf. The third one is holy basil leaf. Chamomile flower is a natural bacteria blocker, which I am in love with. I feel like that's my favorite ingredient of this because you don't understand how much bacteria is on your face especially because we were wearing these masks, which is not a bad thing, but like you don't think about how much bacteria is on that mask unless you like wash it every day. And I don't wash my mask every day, so it's like, dang, like I'm having a lot more breakouts right here. So that ingredient has actually been helping me like not break out, have that mask break out. And the last ingredient is calendula flower. So as you can see, I turned the brightness down a little bit so you guys can see what my skin is looking like. That is the side of my face, the left side, and this is the right side. I do have some breakouts right here. And then my forehead has just been on 10 lately, so we're gonna help that today. And as you can see, these hive areas, the little irritation area, they're not full-blown hives, they're just like really red and they kind of itch, but this face wash literally helps so much. So I turned the brightness back up a little bit, okay? So I feel like my video doesn't look two different colors. So I've wet my face and we're gonna go in with the space wash, which I absolutely am obsessed with. It doesn't really have no strong scents. It actually smells really clean and very light. So we're gonna go in and just wash our face, sitting right here. And you see how I said that it doesn't foam up too much? Like, you know how the foam cleansers be? It just is too much. I don't like that too much because of the fact that it ends up irritating my nose and I get a sneezing fit. So I really like it. And I feel like this gets deeper than the foaming facial cleansers. This one foams the perfect amount to feel like you're actually washing your face, which you are. But it's not like those thin face washes that don't foam up and you just feel like you're rubbing something on your face and not cleaning it. But it's not as like, it's not too much like the foaming facial cleansers. I'm just looking over here in the mirror so I don't get it everywhere in my hair. Okay. So I'm gonna continue massaging this in and I'll come back with it washed off. No burning at all. No burning, no irritation happening. This actually feels really, really soothing because my skin was just super itchy and super sweaty, which probably didn't help the itching. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash this off and I will be right back. Okay guys, so my skin is a little bit red from, you know, drying off my face. But you can actually see it's not as red on this side. I barely have any irritation right there that fast. This side is still a little bit much because she was more so on this side, but this is already pretty much gone. So we're gonna get into the moisturizer. This moisturizer is called Moisture on Mars, that's so cute. And I love this packaging. It is like seriously adorable. Like I cannot with this packaging. So I'm going to get into that moisturizer as well as how I did the face cleanser. Moisture on Mars is a light, non-comedogenic, hydrating cream that is made for acne-prone skin, safe for all skin types. Moisture on Mars helps mitigate excess oil while maintaining your natural dewiness, inhibits pore clogging bacteria, and works to reduce the appearance of acne scars over time, which I need all of that. Like literally that is what my skin needs in anything. So here are the star ingredients. Sodium hyaluronate, Satiria alveate, tocopherol, aloe berbedensis. It also has the sage leaf and the holy basil leaf like the space wash did. Now you guys saw the texture of it in the little clip. I really wanted to show the texture of these products because I feel like it's really different, but I'm really excited to put this on my face. It feels so good, like no burning, no nothing, y'all. And it feels so velvety soft on my skin. I really, really enjoy this. Highly recommend. Highly, highly recommend. And again, my skin is going to be red because I'm rubbing it. My skin just reacts like that. I don't know why, but it feels so good. Like I feel, yes, just yes. And now my babies, my stars, my Hydrostars. I absolutely love these things. I'm actually going to go in first and wipe off my acne because I feel like if I have something on top of them, it doesn't penetrate as hard. So I always start with cleaning my acne first, like with just some water and a Q-tip. And I got one coming up on my chin, unfortunately. So I'm just going to rub that off. So let's talk about the Hydrostars at first. Let me get into those because a lot of people don't understand what acne stars stickers are for. They actually accelerate your skin's healing from acne. It comes with 32 of their 100% hydrocolloid stars, conveniently packaged in a cute big yellow case with a mirror inside. Now the Hydrostars come in many different colors. So there's the classic yellow ones, which I have here today, the rainbow ones. 100% of the profits go to Black and LGBTQ plus organizations. That's what type of company this is. And I really, really like them and I love supporting them because of that. Like that, hands down, is my favorite thing. They give back to the community strongly. And they also come with an extra large big star, which is 20 millimeters for extra large spots. I see this all the time. They always do limited edition, like, you know, collaborations. They've done Hello Kitty. So they do those regularly. But these hydrocolloid pimple protectors are clinically proven to help absorb fluid and access inflammation and shrink the pimple overnight, which they are 100% hydrocolloid, 100%. So make sure you apply with your hands or your tweezers. If I have nails, I use tweezers, but I don't have nails on today, so I just use my hands. But make sure that it's clean and make sure your face is clean, which mine is clean, and which I just wiped off my acne with a Q-tip as well. You want your face clean because it could possibly fall off. If it's not, if you have like a too oily of a product on your skin, they can possibly fall off, which I've done before. So let's go ahead and apply some stars. Fun fact, I use these at work. Whenever I wear a mask and I have chin acne, I wear these at work because 1, I have a mask on. 2, even when I didn't have a mask on, I had them all over my face. I don't care. They help. They help me stop picking. They shrink the pimple, like by the end of my shift. I sit in front of a computer, guys. So if I was in front of patients and stuff, I would just keep the mask on. But I sit in front of my computer, so. But I do wear these at work. My coworker always like, what is that? And I tell them, they're like, oh, okay. But yeah, I love these things. Like I have went through maybe not just the containers, guys. I've gotten refills. So I went through possibly like, I want to say like 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to say 5 containers of these. Like I love these things. My sister is absolutely obsessed with them too. And I put one on my boyfriend before and he was like, whoa, it's gone. I was like, duh. Like these are the only ones that I'll use. I religiously use the Starface Hydrostars. The absolute favorite product. I believe if you go back, if you want to binge watch my YouTube channel, you'll see some on my face while I'm doing my eye makeup. They come in handy. Also, I do want to note that I do use these stars on not only like cuts, like small cuts. I use them. I'm very allergic to mosquitoes and I live in Florida by a lake and I put them on my mosquito bites, instantly stop itching, gone the next day. Like I love them for that. That is why they went so fast the last time I had them, because I was outside in the dark with shorts on, got ate up by mosquitoes, put some of these on, they were gone the next day. And usually I get bruising from mosquito bites since I'm allergic. No bruising. I found my fix. Like I said, just reviewing what we went over, these 3 come in a bundle for $35 free shipping at starface.world. I will link it down below as well. But I want to go into the party pack because this is cute. I really love the party pack. I love the colors. I love my yellow stars, but let's put on some other colors today. So it comes with pink, purple, and blue, and green. And I am going to, you know, put some on my face today because why not? So let's go ahead and put a pink one. Let's put a pink one up here. Put the blue one over here, put the green one over here. Do I have any more? I do. I have one right here. So put the purple one. Yes, yes, yes. They're very comfortable. You cannot feel them on your face. Like I get up and I'm just like, oh, I have them on. They literally stay on all night. I will insert footage here of, I'll put it on the screen how many hours it is with these on. I am going to go back to my boyfriend's house, but yeah, I'll insert that footage here. So they actually work. You can see that there's a white dot where most of the breakout is. So that's what it looks like afterwards. And it does look like that as well on mosquito bites. So it's like literally, I feel like it really reduces everything. Yeah, so I just want to emphasize that it is safe for all skin types as well as, you know, acne prone and reactive skin especially. And I want to thank Starface for partnering with me on this video today. I had so much fun talking about your brand today and sharing it with you guys. And don't forget, in the description down below, shop the big little starter kit and you can get that for $35 free shipping on starface.world. So yeah, I will see you in my next video.